The bikes we ride are getting lighter and faster all the time. The same can't be said for our locks. For years we've been stuck in the mindset that heavy is better. It's time to move on. We want to start a revolution in bike security. We've invented a radical new product. After years of research and development, we proudly present LITELOK, the world's first lightweight, flexible, super secure bike lock. LITELOK is unique. It uses innovative new materials, each designed to provide layer upon layer of security. Using our patented material, BOA FlexiCord, this flexible composite strap is almost impossible to cut. This lightweight lock can withstand sustained attack. After rigorous testing, LITELOK achieves the highest security rating. Our patented inline lock has been developed with a well-known UK manufacturer and easily snaps shut without a key. Unlike D and U locks, our technology is flexible and easier to secure around fixed objects. LITELOK is easy to carry and comes with 2 wrap straps to quickly attach it to your bike. Despite being flexible and strong, LITELOK is significantly lighter but just as secure as its competitors. LITELOK weighs less than a kilogram. We've also designed a carry bag that fits into your frame or behind your seat, or you can just pop LITELOK into or onto your own bag. You can even choose to have 2 LITELOKs operating from the same unique key. This means you can choose extra security or extra length. LITELOK comes in 3 designs: reflective boa green, crow black and herringbone. Your Kickstarter pledge will help us bring LITELOK into production, paying for tooling and final testing. Pledge today and join our revolution in bike security.